Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for the Shein application. So let's get started right away. Now, there is an option to turn off notification from within as well. However, there is a much simpler option to do this by simply using your phone settings. Long press on the Shein application and then tap on the info button to end up within the application info page. To end up within this page, you can also use your phone settings and then go into apps and search for Shein app and tap on it. Once you are within this page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first and then tap on OK to stop the app. Now within this page, you will see the notifications option at the very top. Go ahead and tap on this. And now if you wish to turn off notification, you will simply need to turn off the allow notifications option. Just turn this toggle off and all of the notifications within the Shein app will be turned off for your device. You can come back to this menu at any time and turn back the toggle if you wish to turn on the notification once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications within the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.